This is Iman here. I am here with a new topic today. Today we'll discuss about that what is cryptocurrency, which tools are used by crypto for trading, for for earning the money. So let's start our topic. Before starting our topic, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family, and press the bell icon for new notification and promote my channel. So let's start our topic. Our topic is about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, basically normally we say it crypto, which is in a form of currency that is digitally or virtually, and use cryptography to secure transaction. And cryptocurrency is a digital currency designed to work as a medium of exchange. It is used for trading, and we can put here our funds. And a currency designed to work as a medium of exchange through a computer network that is not reliant on any central authority, such as the government or bank. It has not need any authority from bank or government. And the cryptocurrency is free of cost. You just have to put your funds for your crypto trading. So next we will study about that which best crypto tools are used for trading. The first one is Binance. Binance is the tool which is used for the crypto trading. It's the top most used tool. The next one is Coinbase Pro. Third is BitMEX. The best what is the trading platforms, different trading, which are different trading platforms used for trading. The fourth one is Coinbase Trade Dash. Next in Trading View, Cryptoweight.ch, CoinMarketCap, On-Chain FX, Crypto Compare, CoinMarketCall, Cointer, Bitcoin Visual. These all tools are used for trading cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency use different tools, which we have also discussed about it. Different tools are used by cryptocurrency, crypto system for trading, and people use all these tools to get their profit. It depends on the bar line that if a person is getting or losing their fund. So I also have understand that what is crypto and which tools are used in cryptocurrency for trading, for benefits, for getting the benefit.